out here at Revesby today for a TPG customer. Basically, the customer had TPG come out to the premises and they'd told the customer that everything was working fine on their end and it's an internal wiring issue. So we've got a nice good tone coming down here from the customer's apartment. That's been tested with the lines test set, that's testing fine. But as you can see here, this has been on for about 10 minutes now. And the link light's still flashing, and there are no POTS lights coming on. And you're supposed to get that POTS light on with an ADSL line. But this is 100% a network issue. Now I've just got off the phone to TPG. They've run a bunch of tests. We're going to write up a report for this customer, and TPG is going to come back and get this customer working again. And hopefully they'll give him a refund for our call today, because this is an incorrect call out. All right, thank you, bye.